Om Shanti, Morning Murli, 7th January. Sweet letter of Bab Dada for sweet children. Essence, sweet children, make effort to remove the rust of the vices on you souls by remembering the Father, the Almighty Authority. Sweet children, make effort to remove the rust of the vices on you souls by remembering the Father, the Almighty Authority. Question: what is the main reason why your intellect's yoga breaks away from the Father, and what is the easy way to connect it? What is the main reason why your intellect's yoga breaks away from the Father, and what is the easy way to connect it? Answer: your intellect's yoga is broken when you become body conscious. When you forget the Father's orders, and when you have dirty vision. This is why Baba says, children, as much as possible, be obedient. Make full effort to become soul conscious. Make yourself the soul pure by having remembrance of the imperishable surgeon. Make yourself the soul pure by having remembrance of the imperishable surgeon. Song, you are the fortune of tomorrow. Om Shanti. God Shiva speaks. You children heard the song. You children understand that Baba, who is called the purifier, is sitting in front of you. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, is definitely called the purifier. Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar cannot be called the purifier. That one is the ocean of knowledge. You children know that you souls are listening to knowledge from the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. You have now become soul conscious. You have now become soul conscious. Everyone in the world is body conscious. Those who are soul conscious become elevated. The Supreme Soul sits there and makes them soul conscious. The Father explains it is souls that become sinful souls or pure and charitable soul. It is not said sinful living being. It is not said sinful living being or charitable living being. The sanskars remain in the souls. The bodies are repeatedly destroyed. You children know that Shiv Baba is also called the imperishable surgeon. Souls are imperishable and the Father is also imperishable. Souls are never destroyed. But yes, souls are covered with the rust of devils. The dirtiest number one rust is the vice of lust, and then there is the rust of anger. The Father sits here and explains to you souls, you should have the firm faith that the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul has entered this ordinary body of Brahma. He is the charioteer of this chariot. It is not a chariot like a horse chariot. No. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul explains to you souls, O souls, you are covered with the rust of five vices. The five vices are called Ravan. It is just because you have been covered with the rust of five vices that you have all become vicious and unhappy. I am now removing your rust. I am the only surgeon who can remove that rust. Baba is saying, I am the only surgeon who can remove the rust. There cannot be another surgeon of human souls. Human beings cannot remove the rust that is covering souls. In order for rust to be removed, the Almighty Authority, the Supreme Soul, is definitely needed. He says, O souls of living beings, O my children, if you remember me, the rust on you souls will continue to be removed. If you don't remember me, the rust will not be removed. If you don't imbibe this, you would not be able to claim a high status. Those who are covered with rust are said to be impure. When a soul becomes impure, he receives an impure body. When a soul is Satopradhan, he receives a Satopradhan body. Rust accumulates little by little. At first, just like a pinch of salt in flour, and then in the copperage, a lot of rust is accumulated. The degrees of souls gradually decrease. It takes 1250 years for the souls to become 14 degrees from 16 degrees. So you should always be aware that you BKs are the children of Rama. You BKs are the children of Rama. All the rest are children of Ravan because they are created through poison. There is no poison in the golden age. At this time, no matter how many blessings someone may give, there will definitely be someone about that person who would give him blessings. There would be definitely be someone about that person who would give him blessing. For instance, it is said of the Pope that he gives blessing, but he also needs the blessing of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who is the highest on high. You receive blessing when you follow Shrimat. How could there be blessing for someone who is disobedient? No. Baba says, become soul conscious. If there is consciousness of your body, it means that you are not obeying order and your status would then be destroyed. The Father has now come and so you are serving Bharat to make it elevated. It is with great difficulty that you receive even 3 square feet of land. I now make the whole world new for you. You can also explain to important people at the exhibitions. We are engaged in doing this elevated service. Come and understand how we are making Bharat elevated. After showing them the exhibits, explain to them that the Shrimat is of the one Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who is ever pure. He is Abhokta. He is Abhokta means beyond experiencing the fruit of karma. Asochta, one without thoughts, and the ocean of knowledge. He establishes heaven. We are serving Bharat by following his Shrimat. It is remembered that the Pandavas did not receive even 3 square feet of land. A very broad and unlimited intellect is needed to understand this. And that can only happen when you have complete yoga. It is only then that the rust of body consciousness can be removed. Baba advises you to explain to so and so, we have all made a promise to Baba. We have all made a promise to Baba. We also have photographs. The head office and all the other centers in Delhi and everywhere else should have these photos. A very broad and unlimited intellect is required for this too. There should be 3 or 4 copies of the photos. However, Maya can conquer any child at any time, and then those who are amazed by the knowledge, who belong to the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who were to claim the kingdom of world, ran away. Ran away. The unlimited Father says, I change the whole world and make it first class. Make it first class and give it to you, and you will then sit and rule there, and everything else will be destroyed. And everything else will be destroyed. You children definitely do have to become soul conscious. Everyone has a right to become pure. Now that the Father has come, he says, have yoga with me. Have yoga with me, drink the nectar of knowledge, and you will become elevated. Sannyasis too dislike vices. Sannyasis too dislike vices. It is good to remain pure. Deities were also pure. Only the Father comes and makes you pure from impure. Everyone there is viceless. That is the viceless word. That is the viceless word. When Bharat was viceless, it was the golden sparrow. Who made it like that? It would definitely have been the Father who made it like that. Souls become impure and diseased. The surgeon of souls is God. It cannot be a human being. The Father says, I myself am the purifier. Everyone remembers me. It is good to remain pure. Saints and holy men have all been remembering me. They have been remembering me for birth after birth. O purifier, come. O purifier, come. So God is only one. It is not that the devotees are God. It is not that the devotees are God. They don't even know God. I explained to you in the previous cycle too. God speaks, I teach you Raj Yoga. I enter the body of Brahma, who was worthy of worship and has now become a worshipper. There were pure kings who have now become impure beggars. You have the faith that you are BKs, the children of Brahma, the father of people. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, created Brahmans through Brahma. Donations are always given to Brahman priest. What donation am I giving? What donation am I giving? The whole world. I personally sit in front of those who change from Shudras into Brahmans and who do my service, and I explain to them, you must never have dirty vision. You must never have dirty vision. You need to have a great deal of courage to explain at exhibition. The purifier is only the one Father. You remember him? You remember him. These are the river Gangas who have merged from the ocean of knowledge. They are also called Shiv Shaktis. They are also called Shiv Shaktis. You receive power by having yoga with Shiv Baba. The rest of the five vices is also removed. A magnet can only attract a needle when the needle is pure. But you souls are covered with the rust of Maya. Now, by your having yoga with me, the rust will be removed. Rust will be removed. This is now the kingdom of Ravan, and everyone has a tamopradhan intellect. This is why God said, I come and uplift sinners like Ajamil, those with no virtues, and also holy men, etc. Only the one Father makes everyone elevated. Only the purifier Father comes and makes Bharat pure through these mothers. Through these mothers, this is why the mothers call out, save us from becoming impure. Men don't allow them to stay pure. You should say to government, help us in this. However, the wives themselves have to be very strong with intoxication. However, the wives themselves have to be very strong with intoxication. It should not be that you then continue to remember your husband or your children. No, in that case, you would be in an even worse condition. The Father continues to explain everything about how you should create methods. About how you should create methods. The days of happiness for your children are about to come. I create the golden age word, which is called heaven, and give that to you. I create the golden age word, which is called heaven, and give that to you. Shrimad says, have yoga with me, the Father, and your rust will be removed. Otherwise, neither will you be able to claim such a high status. Nor will you be able to imbibe knowledge. You must not commit any sins. When you become body conscious, your intellect's yoga breaks. This Brahma also remembers that father. This Brahma also remember that father. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, sits in this body of Brahma and says to him, O soul of Brahma, O soul of Radhe, remember me and your rust will be removed. Only when you consider yourself to be souls and follow Shrimat fully can you remember him. Greed is no less. Greed is no less. When you see something nice and you want to eat it, that is called greed. Baba says, Maya like a mouse, first blows and then bites. There are many such imaginary stories written in the scriptures. Sannyasis then say that these pictures are your imagination. Baba continues to explain everything to you children. Don't think that when you do something, Baba is not aware of it. Baba knows how much dirty activities there is in this world. Innocent ones are to be assaulted. So save yourself by using the right method. Otherwise, your status will be destroyed. It is understood that according to the drama, all of that is to happen. I continue to explain to you. If you still don't understand, some will become maids or servants and some will become subjects. The destiny of the drama is predestined. What can anyone do? What can anyone do? The poor, the wealthy, all definitely have to be created. The poor, the wealthy, all definitely have to be created. Baba comes in Bharat. This is an impure land. Baba comes and makes the whole world into a pure land. Bharat alone receives all the butter. The story is so easy, but a lot of courage is needed to stay in knowledge and yoga. If you don't follow Shrimat, your status is destroyed. Baba gives you direction. Explain in this way, those who explain have to be very sensible. There is so much love for Baba. There is so much love for Baba. Children write with so much love. I am sending a sweater for Shiv Baba's chariot. I am sending a sweater for Shiv Baba's chariot. Shiv Baba is our unlimited father. He is making us into masters of heaven. You keep Baba in your intellect. I am sending Dolly to Shiv Baba's chariot. I am decorating Shiv Baba's chariot. Just as the horse of Hussein is decorated, this one is the true horse. This one is the true horse. Only the purifier Baba purifies everyone. This one is also decorating himself. He remembers Baba and also remembers his status. These two are very firm, means strong. They become the god and goddess of knowledge and then the emperor and empress, and so they must definitely have children too. You truly become the masters number wise according to the effort you make. Through Raj Yoga, you become an emperor or empress. But it then depends on how much service each of you does. Baba tells you all the methods. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for dharana. First, in order to receive the father's blessing, be obedient. Obey the order to become soul conscious. Second, Maya is a mouse, and so you have to protect yourself from her. Don't have greed. Continue to follow Shrimat fully. Today's blessing, feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you be a soul who experiments with the power of yoga and knowledge by becoming light. May you be a soul who experiments with the powers of yoga and knowledge by becoming light. You have become Jnani and Yogi souls. You have become Jnani and Yogi souls. Now become souls who experiment by experiencing with the powers of knowledge and yoga. Now become souls who experiment by experimenting with the powers of knowledge and yoga, just as some tools of science function with light. In the same way, the basis of the power of silence is also light. The imperishable light of God, the light of souls, and the light of your practical stage. When you wish to experiment, then check whether you are light or not. If your stage is light and your form is double light. If your stage is light and your form is double light, you will then easily achieve success in your experiments. You will then easily achieve success in your experiments. Slogan: if you want to experience the stage of liberation in life, free yourself from impure thoughts and impure actions. If you want to experience the stage of liberation in life, free yourself from impure thoughts and impure actions. Om Shanti. Today's point: experience the stage of being merged in love. Renunciate and tapasvi souls are always lost in the Father's love. Renunciate and tapasvi souls are always lost in the Father's love. They remain merged in the ocean of love, ocean of knowledge, bliss, happiness, and peace. Such children who always remain merged are the true tapasvis. Such children who are always remain merged are the true tapasvis. They are able to renounce everything naturally. They are able to renounce everything naturally. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.